Now, a local initiative in Somalia's capital is creating hope for thousands of people by producing reusable face masks to assist in containing a potential outbreak of COVID-19 in the Horn of Africa nation. CGTN's Abdulaziz Bilo visited the center and filed this report from Mogadishu.
It's a busy day at this vocational institute in downtown Mogadishu. Hafsa and many of her colleagues are on a mission to save lives as coronavirus infections continue to rise in the country. Their task is to make thousands of reusable face masks amid a nationwide shortage.
I have worked on 30 pieces so far. We make sure we use the right material in order to protect people. We make the material light but effective enough to make sure it blocks any transmission of the virus.
The center previously trained vulnerable members of the society, including displaced persons, on garment making and fashion designs. Organizers say the objective is to build resilience among communities. The project is being implemented by humanitarian organization Save the Children with funding from the German government.
We have activated a total of 25 people, 10 men and 15 women, who trained in garment making and fashion design. They received their diplomas here, and due to COVID-19, they have stopped other activities to make face masks in order to save lives.
The country's coronavirus cases have gone up with more deaths recorded than recoveries. Few people wear face masks while social distancing measures are yet to take effect in the country. Meanwhile, prices of surgical masks and other hygiene products have gone up, meaning majority cannot afford to buy them, with a box of disposable masks containing 50 pieces now trading for $50 to $70. Organizers of this initiative say reusable face masks like this one could save thousands of lives in Somalia. And with a weak health system, health experts are warning that an outbreak here could be worse than in other countries.
In our first trial, we came up with 1,500 to 2,000 face masks in one day. We distribute them to vulnerable people in the society, government agencies, and sometimes we allow those making them to earn a living by selling them. We hope to play a role in containing the spread of the virus, at the same time create employment to our young people.
Once completed, the face masks are packaged, ready to be distributed. Hafsa says saving people's lives is more important now and vows to increase production enough to help contain the spread of COVID-19 infections. Abdulaziz Bilo, CGTN, Mogadishu, Somalia.